OK 嗱，呢兩句例句咧都係喺我哋嘅用途嚟講咧，simple present tense 嘅用途嚟講咧係第三種就係 habits 啦，常態。因為我哋頭先話過咧，我哋 simple present tense 係三種情況用 general truth、general facts and habits。咁而家我哋講講 habits 係點樣用嘅啊？係幾時用出嚟㗎？嗱，如果我哋遇到咧一啲以前或者同埋而家同埋未來都大致上會咁樣做嘅習慣嘅常態咧，我哋亦都會用 simple present tense 嘅。咁例如呢兩句啦，我哋睇睇 Anne takes a shower every day。Anne takes a shower every day。Anne 咧係每日都沖涼嘅嚇，沖一次涼，每日沖一次涼嘅。咁我哋睇到咧呢個咧係一個習慣啦。嗱，首先點知咧？我哋有一個咧提示 everyday。everyday 嗱，有呢個提示咧係好嘅，但係有陣時咧我哋 simple present tense 未必有呢啲提示嘅我哋未必有呢啲提示嘅，唔好淨係覺得咧有 everyday 先係用 simple present tense， 唔一定嘅。如果我哋上下文係透露咗俾我哋聽個意思咧，其實都係一個習慣嚟噶啦。一個現在、過去或者將來都差唔多有呢個習慣啦。我哋都係用 simple present tense 呢啲咁嘅咧，adverbial phrase 咧，呢啲咁嘅副詞嘅組織咧，其實咧係我嚟做提示嘅，我嚟幫助我哋理解個意思嘅。OK， 咁回到我哋呢個 habits 呢個嘅情況啦，呢個 habits 咧係成日都會做啦，唔係話特定係某個時間或者尋日啊、上週啊係做過某啲嘢，而係一般我都係每日沖一次涼嘅。OK，Anne takes a shower every day。咁我哋睇到咧呢個 subject 啦，呢度 verb 啦，咁我哋照例嗰個 verb 咧，亦都係用 base form 嚟做啦，用最基本型即係 take 啦。嗱 ，take 呢個動詞咧係非常常用嘅動詞，係可以配搭好多嘢去講出好多嘅唔同嘅意思嘅，好多嘅名詞咁呢啲我哋要 collocation， 咁呢啲我哋遲啲會再介紹嘅。咁亦都係啦，我哋第二咧就要注意個 agreement 啦，就要同嗰個 subject 咧去配搭翻Anne。咁我哋知道咧 Anne 咧其實咧係可以用 she 嚟代替嘅。逢親如果個 subject 咧係可以用 he、she or it 去代替嘅話咧，我哋咧通常我哋嗰個動詞嘅 base form 就要加 s 或者 es 啦。咁點樣加法咧？我哋遲啲再睇，因為有一啲咧 complication 嘅，有一啲咧係要我哋再睇嘅一啲規則嘅。OK， 好啦，第二句啦。I usually read the newspaper in the morning. I usually read the newspaper in the morning. OK， 我通常咧朝頭早咧都睇報紙嘅。嗱，大家注意一樣嘢，呢個通常咧唔好用 always 唔好用 always 咁咧，因為咧我見有一部分嘅同學咧都成日用 always 代表係通常嘅 ，always 係總是咁解，唔係通常。通常咧你就應該用 usually 你就應該用 usually 呢個字。嘅嗱 usually 呢啲字咧唔係動詞嚟嘅，佢係 adverb 嚟嘅，佢係一個副詞嚟嘅，所以咧喺個 agreement 裏邊咧係冇關係嘅。個動詞咧喺呢度咧係個 read 呢個動詞去閱讀去閱讀。咁呢個咧當然係要同翻個 subject I 嚟做 agreement 啦。I 方面咧，如果 I 做 agreement 做 subject 咧，個 agreement 咧就唔使加 s 或者 es 啦，照保留翻個 base form 就得啦。Right? Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.